Hello folks, this evening what we're going to be making is Ritz Christmas crackers. It's real simple, it's real easy, real tasty. Start off with a cup of peanut butter, a quarter cup of powdered sugar, some Ritz crackers, and then whatever your favorite chips are. Milk chocolate, semi-sweet, peanut butter cracker or peanut butter chips work also. Whatever you'd like. Butterscotch. Let's get started. Alright, now what we're going to do, we took 1 cup of peanut butter, put down in here. Watch Doug make a mess. Let's go ahead and be setting this stuff in the sink right now. I put a little bit of powdered sugar in the bottom. This is a quarter cup of powdered sugar. We're going to mix this up, and that'll be in between the crackers. Alright, just mix this up real good. It's your powdered sugar and peanut butter. So far ain't made too big of a mess. Still early into this recipe though. Oh, I knowed it. It's coming. Dang. Oh. Okay. Mix it up real good here. Alright, next we're just going to put a little bit of peanut butter in between. Put however much you want, folks. Got some little kids. Right now they could be joining in and helping you here. This recipe ain't really got anything that's really hot or anything. We will be heating up the chocolate chips here in a minute in the microwave. But now we're going to do the microwave. If you'd rather use, broiler or whatever, it's up to you. However you like to melt your chocolate. Carolyn's even got a little crock pot thing for melting chocolate. But we'll just go ahead with the microwave. Once again, make this, put as much peanut butter as you want on them. You guys are doing great. Keep it up. I'm going to slide by you here and get a bowl. Melt a little bit of chocolate. Alrighty. That was 1 bag of the chips. Now I'm going to put in some coconut oil. That'll help thin it out a little bit, make it a little bit easier about coating your crackers. Now, I'm going to put that in the microwave, and I'll start off about 20 seconds. You just don't want to burn. You don't want to scorch your chocolate. It'll be a bad flavor. Okay, here you can see the chocolate we melted. Now, this is where the fun part comes in. Drop it down in there, flip it over. Just get them coated good. That's like, I know this year here, last year we tried to have something where we was making for Vlogmas every day and everything. it won't be this year. The price of everything and the way work is and all. Okay. Just be sure you're using parchment paper, folks. It'll be a whole lot easier when you go to get these back off. Okay, folks, now we're going to take these and place them in the refrigerator. Let that chocolate get good and cool. Let it get hard, and then we'll taste test one. Alrighty, folks, there you have it. Simple and easy. Didn't cost a whole lot to make. I'd like to thank y'all for watching. You all have a great day, and we'll be seeing you soon.